Hello financial aficionados. Today we're delving into a topic that's often debated but undeniably pivotal in the world of personal finance: the importance of having a credit card. This is Credit Card Central, and in this video we'll unravel the reasons why having a credit card is a valuable tool on your financial journey. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, understanding the significance of credit cards can empower you to make informed financial decisions. So let's dive straight in. Firstly, we'll look at building and establishing credit history. One of the primary reasons why having a credit card is crucial is its role in building and establishing credit history. Your credit history is like a financial report card, and a positive credit history is a key factor in various aspects of your life. Having a credit card allows you to demonstrate responsible financial behavior, making it easier to qualify for loans. When you're ready to make significant financial moves, like buying a home or a car, a solid credit history opens doors to favorable loan terms and lower interest rates. Rent a home. Landlords often check your credit history when considering rental applications. A positive credit history can make the rental process smoother. Secure employment. Some employers review credit history during the hiring process, especially for positions that involve financial responsibilities. A good credit history reflects positively on your reliability and responsibility. Access to better credit cards. As your credit history improves, you become eligible for premium credit cards with enhanced benefits, better rewards, and lower interest rates. By responsibly managing a credit card, you're not just making everyday purchases, you're investing in your financial future. Second up, let's talk about emergency fund and financial security. Beyond credit history, credit cards play a crucial role in providing a financial safety net. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected expenses can arise at any moment. Here's how your credit cards contribute to your emergency fund and financial security. Immediate access to funds. In emergencies, having a credit card provides immediate access to funds. Whether it's a medical emergency or a sudden car repair, your credit card acts as a financial lifeline. Convenience and flexibility. Credit cards offer unparalleled convenience and flexibility. You can make purchases, book flights, or cover unforeseen expenses without the need for immediate cash on hand. Temporary bridge in times of need. If you find yourself facing a financial gap due to the unexpected circumstances, a credit card can serve as a temporary bridge. It allows you to address urgent matters while you work on a long-term solution. Think of your credit card as a financial safety net, a tool that provides reassurance and peace of mind in times of uncertainty. Thirdly, let's talk about rewards programs and cashback benefits. While the practical aspects of credit cards are undeniable, let's not overlook the potential for financial gains through rewards programs and cashback benefits. Many credit cards offer attractive incentives that can turn your everyday spending into tangible rewards. Cashback on purchases. Some credit cards provide a percentage of your spending back in the form of cashback. This not only reduces the effective cost of your purchases, but also puts money back in your pocket. Travel rewards. Travel enthusiasts can benefit from credit cards that offer airline miles, hotel discounts, and other travel-related perks. This transforms your daily spending into opportunities for exciting adventures. Building a nest egg. By strategically using a rewards credit card, you can accumulate points or cashback over time. This can be directed towards building a savings fund or used to treat yourself to something special. Choosing a credit card with the right rewards program can turn your financial transactions into a rewarding experience, adding an extra layer of value to your everyday life. And fourthly, let's talk about online purchases and fraud protection. In our increasingly digital world, the importance of credit cards extends to the realm of online purchases and fraud protection. Here's why having a credit card is especially advantageous in this context. Secure online transactions. Credit cards offer an extra layer of security when making online purchases. Unlike debit cards, credit cards are not directly linked to your bank account, reducing the risk of unauthorized access to your primary funds. Fraud protection. Most credit cards come with robust fraud protection measures. If your card is used fraudulently, You're typically not held responsible for unauthorized transactions, provided you report them promptly. Chargeback options. In the event of disputes with merchants or issues with the quality of your product, credit cards often provide chargeback options. This allows you to dispute a charge and seek a refund when warranted. Having a credit card ensures a safer and more secure experience when navigating the vast landscape of online transactions, giving you peace of mind as you shop or transact online. Fifth up on the list is credit card tips for responsible usage. Before we conclude, let's touch on some key tips for responsible credit card usage. Pay your balance in full. To avoid accumulating debt and interest charges, aim to pay your credit card balance in full each month. Monitor your statements. Regularly review your credit card statements to identify any unauthorized transactions or errors. Promptly report any discrepancies to your card issuer. Understand your terms. Familiarize yourself with the terms and conditions of your credit card, including interest rates, fees, and rewards programs. This knowledge empowers you to make informed decisions. Build a budget. Incorporate your credit card spending into your overall budget. Having a clear understanding of your financial inflows and outflows ensures responsible usage. By following these tips, you can make the most of your credit card while avoiding common pitfalls associated with mismanagement. In wrapping up our exploration of why having a credit card is crucial in your financial journey, remember that it's not just a piece of plastic, it's a powerful tool that can shape your financial future. From building credit history to providing financial security and offering enticing rewards, credit cards play a multifaceted role in our lives. As with any financial tool, responsible usage is key. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on navigating the complex landscape of personal finance. This is Credit Card Central signing off. Happy financial navigating.